All right, traders, it is the 12th of November, 2017. My name is James, and welcome to Behringer Trading. So you can see that we are in the process of updating the web page, both the front end and the back end. But we actually are, we've listened to our users, and they wanted something a little less than what we're currently offering for $50 a month for our website membership. So we started to do the monthly markups. And the monthly markups, one is that when a stock is in a trade range and we speculate that's under accumulation or distribution, a monthly markup would be something that is completed. We speculate that it's completed its accumulation phase and it's getting ready to rally. So the first one that we did here was BGS. And BGS I shared here publicly just on our public Twitter handle here, Behringer Trading. Anybody can follow this. You can scroll through, see some updates that we're doing with the web page as far as content and usability. Our blog entries are here. But BGS was the first one that we shared, and it's just over $33. And if we just kind of backtrack and see what happens, we can see that it kind of backed up following my my sharing my observations, and it pulled back to the 50-day simple moving average, but then it quickly rallied. So it rallied about 17% from that average, about 10% from the point of entry at which I shared. It has currently pulled back and is consolidating along the rising 20-day simple moving average. The 50 is rising, the 100's flat, and the 200's some overhead resistance up here, which is what we rejected. But trade still looks good, but this is the accumulation schematic that we're following. It's above this kind of key area of interest, the pivot that's here, and actually it's looked like it's providing another opportunity to potentially rally. You can see that as it pulled back, a volume kind of contracted, so supply looks like it's weakening, and we're starting the rally again with expanding volume. So it looks like a pretty interesting trade. Now you can see that I have a $40 price target on here. This isn't me trying to forecast the price. What I do is I measure I use point and figure charts to measure horizontal counts to measure this cause, and that kind of gives me a upward effort or an upward kind of price objective or price target, which is currently at $40. So it really is just to serve a purpose to help me measure my risk to reward ratio, because right now I'd say my risk is losing the 50-day simple moving average. Your reward might be, your 200-day simple moving average. I actually have it at $40, so I have a very good risk reward on this trade. Now again, this is the monthly markup. Our first newsletter actually went out, and we chose NFX because the idea is that we want to identify stocks that are kind of in the process of finishing up their accumulation and showing signs that they're getting ready to rally and mark up. So we really appreciate everyone's interest, their ideas. It's been a lot of fun, and that's the monthly markups that we're offering. Good luck, traders.